Quakey. I'm so excited. The Quakeys are turning. It'll be so pretty.
What's up, Dyches fam? We hope you guys are doing awesome today. Dyches kids, how you doing?
Great!
And what are we doing today?
Hiking to the horseshoe.
It's Friday Fun Day!
That's right, Friday Fun Day. The family gets together and goes and does some fun stuff. Because it's Friday and we want it to be fun.
And what's fun about this Friday is that it's a gorgeous fall day. And we're headed up on the mountain to see the beautiful leaves.
One of the iconic mountains where we live is called the Horseshoe Mountain.
It looks like a horseshoe.
That's right.
Yep.
And so I've never taken the kids up there. So we're gonna go up there today.
Yay! Let's go on an adventure!
Let's go!
What, Rosie? Hey guys, I can see where we live.
Where?
That is so pretty.
Guys,
Thank
we are
you.
clear at the top of a mountain. It's so pretty.
63 degrees.
We can actually see where we live. We live right over there. Can you see it? Way over there. Somewhere in that area.
There's what we call a drop-off, kids. Clay, what, are you scared?
I am.
Dad, both hands on the wheel.
They are.
Don't take us off that cliff. You're scared of what? This road's getting a little narrow, Dad. I'm not sure that we ought to be coming up here.
Yeah, we probably.
And that is a drop-off,
What do
people.
you mean? This is better than it usually is.
Do not roll off the side, please. That's a cliff.
Oh, that's so windy.
What, Ross?
Die off that cliff.
Yeah, somebody could die off that cliff if you don't drive careful,
You're just
huh?
lucky that you got a good dad that drive good, fast. Best mountain driver there is.
Ooh, 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 ooh. We're flying inside the sun.
It's a wild ride. Everybody hold on, we're gonna climb up the mountain.
By George. This is the hill on top of the mountain. This is the hill on top of the mountain. This is the hill on top of the mountain. We're going up.
Rosie, we're climbing up the big mountain.
I'm like falling back. Like I'm stuck right
I'm shaking my head and I'm not trying.
It's bumpy ride. Oh my gosh.
Are we gonna make it?
Ah! Check out the view, guys.
Mountain Mama.
Mountain Mama, horseshoe home.
Yeah.
We are literally at the top of a mountain, a huge mountain, the very top.
That's the little shoe. That's not very.
Guys, we're literally like 10,000 feet up on top of a huge mountain. It is gorgeous.
It's so cold. Guys, welcome to the Horseshoe, Dyches fam.
That's the big shoe. Little shoe.
Can you see any animals down there in the big shoe? Huh?
No.
No? This is called the big shoe, the big horseshoe.
Have you ever seen a mountain lion?
Yes.
Oh.
Yeah, at a zoo. Just kidding. No, I saw when I went with my buddy who has hounds and we treed one. That was down there quite a ways though.
It's gonna die off this cliff.
We could die off this cliff? Yeah, it is a ways down there, huh? Ah! Okay, Bub, what are you gonna do? Koi, watch out.
Because the other one, it would go like probably like 30 feet down and then hit the ground. So we'll see how far this one will go.
Okay.
Nice throw.
What? Oh my gosh.
No. Well, that was good. Right off the cliff. Jay, don't throw the spikes, bro.
Oh, wow.
Holy.
Wow, that is down.
Hey, kids, come here.
Horseshoe mountain.
We're on top of the world. Hey!
We're on top of the world.
Hey!
Taking it in for a while.
Hey, how does it feel to be up here on top of the Horseshoe Mountain, guys?
Yeah. Like, dude, on like the satellite picture I saw in one of my books I was reading, there's like squares. And look, you can see all the squares. Just out there of the field.
Oh, yeah, you mean down there.
Wow.
You mean clear down in the valley.
Yeah. So
All right, so this is called the Little Horseshoe. And look how beautiful it is up here. Oh my gosh, I love it. And then this is the Big Shoe, just right next to it. But you can tell it's cool because it looks like a horse's footprint right here. And then over here, this looks like a horse's footprint. Oh, it's so awesome.
Oh, I almost made it into the flat, Dad.
Rosie, did you throw a rock in the Big Shoe? Oh, so awesome. Look how beautiful we look.
Selfie time. We're going on an adventure now, but it's kind of steep and Roswell's not sure if he can make it. Hold on to him tight, sissy. Rosie, are we going on the trail? We're gonna see if we can make this trail. It goes all the way out there to that point where you can look out. Come on, Rosie, you can do it. Let's go. It's slippery. It's slippery. Come on, bud, let's go.
Williams broke and then it kept going and then there's a big rock and it went.
What, Ross?
Hi.
Okay, Nikoi, we made it to the end of our hike, to the end of the trail. Check out this gorgeous view.
Nikoi, what do you see down there?
Grandma and Grandpa's house. I can even see Grandpa's perfect lawn.
From all the way up here?
Yeah. That thing shines.
That's right. They live just right down there. Can you guys see it? Somewhere right there. Hey, can you see me?
Oh my gosh, you're blurry. So blurry.
Let's see if we can see Bubba. Smile. Give me a peace sign. Guys, my brakes were smoking coming down this. Oh my gosh. Oh, you can see smoke coming off in there. Woo! What is going on?
The tires are white?
Guys, we just went down this canyon and we were going a little fast down it, and I was using my brakes a little too much, and the brakes weren't working very good. And we got out and we're looking at them because we could start to smell smoke. Oh man, I can feel like heat coming off of that.
Oh yeah.
And they were smoking.
it's
Don't touch,
scary.
don't touch. Fortunately, we were almost all the way down to the city, down to the town. So I can smell smoke from all the tires.
Okay, Dad's gonna just take it nice and slow, right? Please don't burn up the truck anymore. We need this beast.
I was going a little too fast, so I will admit. My bad.
Slow and steady wins the race, Dad.
I know, but I like to be a race car driver. It's a funner.
Wait, how's that book? Good. Homeschool, in the car, in the mountains. Nothing better. So we safely made it home. The brakes cooled down, they didn't stick, and so we were able to drive the truck safely home. But guys, we drove clear to the top of this mountain way over here. Okay guys, that up there was the horseshoe. When we first got up there, we went to that point, and then we went over to this point. Because we are in the top bracket, the top 4 teams go head to head. So we got a tough rivalry game tomorrow. And in fact, the high school is actually playing our rivals tonight, and we play them tomorrow. So that's gonna be awesome. Now let's have a good football practice. Touchdown! What are we doing now, champ?
Watching the high school game.
That's right. You pumped for tomorrow?
Oh yeah. The Hawks are losing 27-29, and they just scored a touchdown, and so they're thinking of going for 2 points.
That's right, there's only 3 minutes left in the 4th quarter. Oh, is this getting you pumped for your game tomorrow?
Oh yeah.
Let's see if they can make it.
Team throws it to the corner of the end zone. Open receiver steps in.
Yeah!
He threw it short, and the guy wasn't gonna make it, and then he went, whoop.
15.
Come on. Let's go.
No, keep doing that. Show them what you were doing. Whee! That's how Tane gets excited. Oh, dude, you got to show them your new jersey, bro. Dude! Check out that jersey. What does it say on the back? TD3?
TD3.
That's right. So TeamJerseyPro.com reached out to us and they were like, hey, we want to send you a free customized jersey. And we're like, okay, let's do it.
Oh yeah.
And so they actually make customized jerseys. You can order one or you can order customized jerseys for your whole team,
Yep.
which is awesome. So we definitely recommend it if you want a customized jersey. You can get whatever you want on it. So I'll be sure to post a link in the description below.
Oh yeah, check it out.
Yeah, and if you guys like Taden's jersey, be sure to hit that thumbs up button.
kind of go.
Oh, the Hawks just got an interception with 3 minutes to go.
3:01 left. Tie ball game. Snap comes for Taylor. Big rush.
Oh, he threw it deep.
It's going to be picked off by man.
Oh, my.
Makes a man miss. Gets up to midfield.
Why are they running deep?
Up to 45, up to the 40.
Interception, fumble.
Bringing the pressure again. They brought 6. The linebacker getting the backfield.
Fumble, the Hawks got it back. The Hawks are the white jerseys, the white uniforms. I forgot to even tell you guys that. Tayden, what are you doing?
Cutting out stuff.
What are you cutting out?
The templates for my costume.
Oh, sick. Has nothing to do with a bat, by the way.
Well, that's the symbol.
Hey, Tayden, give him an update on the scoop.
The Hawks threw an interception with their position, so if the Templars make this field goal, it's game over.
Price board calls for it. It's down. It's up.
Oh.
And it is good.
Oh, my.
Had plenty of leg, obviously.
Tayden, is that going to be you guys tomorrow?
Heck no, we're gonna kick them butt.
Pretend that you're sleeping, Tayden. Yo, guys, we made it home. That was a close game tonight. Unfortunately, the Hawks couldn't pull it off. So is that how tomorrow's game's going to be?
Oh, heck no.
How you feeling about tomorrow, bud?
I feel like we're gonna come out strong and that we're gonna do good against them.
I think if you guys show up to the game, play with some confidence, and execute, I think you guys are going to dominate.
Oh, yeah.
The last game we played them, what was the score?
14-0.
So we didn't dominate in that game. I think we could have done a lot better.
It was 7-0 until only a couple minutes left in the game.
That's right. Their defense is actually really tough.
Yeah.
Their offense, and our defense is really tough. And our offense that game, tomorrow we got to fire off on all cylinders because they're going to.
Mm-hmm.
And they've improved this season, but so have we. So I'm excited to see how these dudes do tomorrow. It's going to be hard to sleep tonight, right?
Oh, yeah.
All right, buddy. You guys be sure to come back tomorrow for some updates on Dyches Fam, and be sure to go over to Tayden's channel and check out the highlights.
Oh, yeah.
All right, bro. What do we tell him?
We'll see you guys tomorrow.
Peace out, Dyches Fam!
We love you.